Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Bull Trader. You're watching in live on London session. Let's make money together. Yesterday was not so good for gold trading because of the problems that we suffered. Unfortunately, there was a safe haven buying due to the reason that China announced their stimulus package. They announced it early in the morning after the Chinese CPI came out, but as soon as the New York session started, there was a frenzy of safe haven buying. So we saw a retest of two triple six, and as far as we can see, it went up as high as 2678, and now it's all dropping down because of the fact that CPI is about to release on tomorrow. So as you can see, market is currently 4 hourly. Gold, silver is dropping. Wait, where is silver? Hold on a second. So yeah, let me do a complete analysis. Monthly, previous month candle is bearish, and right now, if you look at this currently, I think it just made this upper, what do you say, upper wick. It needed to make a upper wick in order to drop down further. So it was quite obvious that we were looking ahead. You just give me 2 minutes, I'll do a complete analysis. If you are watching this stream right now, stay tuned. I'll do a complete analysis in 2 minutes. Okay, guys, so let's start our analysis. In the name of Almighty, let's begin our analysis. Today is 10th December, and this is London session. So right now, we have to see what has happened on Monday and what's going to happen this week. Plus, we're going to take in consideration the last week data and the speeches and whatsoever. So since this is right now London session, let's see what has happened today. Then we're gonna talk about present, past, and then last week. Let's go on the news portion. Gold's long-term upside still intact. Okay, market talks. The US Bank continues to see scope for the precious metal prices to rise, supported by the ongoing deterioration. The US labor market still okay. I was saying this, gold rises for the second season. Gold steady, supported by hopes of more China stimulus. This was the thing that pushed gold prices up. Eh, Remember when it was going down and I said that no, it's not gonna drop down further on because there is still, what do you say, if something's gonna happen in the matrix, that's gonna send the price up higher. And guess what? It did, right? But even right now, I'm saying that if you follow elite wave, you are wondering how the hell are we gonna get to the third impulse wave? But we are getting there. Not quite as we expected, but we are getting there, right? And I think we just the whole thing is that this third impulse wave is always higher than what you call the previous third, what do you say, the impulse wave from 1 to 5 is always higher than the ABC correction, the third impulse wave. But given the fact that this is not that push that we are waiting for, so likely we're gonna see it drop. Is a CPI tomorrow, then on Thursday it's PPI and unemployment. So even Donald Trump is coming, so maybe, and the ongoing Syrian war over there, the rebels took over. We don't know what's gonna happen over there. Yeah, either gonna be a new war, ISIS is gonna come back, or God knows what. So not go, let's not go into into the details. Let's come back. China announced the stimulus yesterday. Because of that, we saw the push on gold prices up. All right, so first of all, let me write it down. The conditions that push the gold prices up. All right, first condition was yesterday safe haven buying, China stimulus, which pushed the gold prices up. Because of that, we saw a frenzy in gold buying. We saw yesterday, if you consider in what happened, this was Tokyo session, right? From 2627 to 2676. That's a lot for intraday, right? So now, what we gonna do about it? The first thing is the movies are done. We have a rooftop for the intraday is 2676. We will short it, keeping in mind the incoming data that we're gonna receive on Wednesday. And yeah, one more thing: those who trade oil, crude oil, today there is OPEC meeting all day. So any news coming out from OPEC is gonna directly influence oil prices. So you better put alerts. All right, let's. We got into an oil trade. This is a premium signal, but just showing you off. We got into an oil trade yesterday, and before that, we even scalped this portion up. And I'm just gonna put an alert over here in these zones 67, because as soon as the OPEC news is gonna come out, it's gonna affect. It's gonna affect. What do you say? And as far as I see, oil prices are gonna go up because of the ongoing situation. Things are not calming down. Coming back to gold. Oh yeah, one more thing. Yesterday, not yesterday, this morning on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, something really strange happened. Not so strange. On the 4 hourly, looking for a 4 hourly candle is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. God. Yeah. This morning, we saw the same the same thing happening, but on a smaller scale. It started dropping down. There was a short sell, and then there was a rug pullback. And I was on a buy over here. I got hit, but I managed to get in over here and cover my losses. Plus, I got out profitable. But as I see, the crypto boys are still pushing gold up, and as long as gold is above a specific area, which is around 95,000 at one time frame, we are still bullish. I mean, we are still bullish as long as gold is above 80,000. But on intraday, as long as it's above 95,000, we are bullish. So keeping that in your mind, if you are scalping crypto, specifically Bitcoin or any meme coins, you need to keep an eye on this, because this morning when it started dropping down, you saw a lot of coins, they started dropping down and 25%, 30%, 40%. So hey Ahmed, what's up, man? So it was a nice discounted price for you guys to grab onto those nice dips. But given the fact that what's currently happening in the market, you need to stay alert, because anything coming out of China is going to directly influence gold. As far as China is concerned, China is just not so cool with everything that's going on in the rest of the world. Gold was about to drop, and suddenly China announced stimulus package. And by the way, I was keeping an eye on a stimulus, because during the elections, China had to announce their stimulus, but they saved it for the Trump administration. But announcing it right now, I mean, right after the NFP, It seems deliberate, but we, if you're not ready to make lose money, you cannot ready to make money. I always say this fact. We got stopped out yesterday, yeah, on live stream, but we managed to get in 78, 75. We took partial profits, reduced some of our losses. Then during this Tokyo session, got in a buy, reduced more losses, and now we are in a sell. Specifically talking about, I took this sell right now and I gave this premium signal. So I'm sharing this. Yes, this was a premium signal sent in all the groups. And right now, if my TP zones are the Fibonacci golden zones, and I plan to target yesterday Tokyo low. So yeah, my TP is yesterday Tokyo low. But if you're asking me the long term, where I'm headed for, I'm headed for monthly low. Okay, I'm not gonna close this short if you ask me, because previous month was bearish, right? So if let's just say this is the ceiling, okay, and I'm on the right side of the history, so this sell is gonna do wonders for me. I just have to hold it. But you don't do this with just one trade. You have to open layers of trades. You have to take partial profits on the way down, and then you have to put 3-4 trades on break even and let them run, and just pretend that you don't have any positions on gold. So you don't think about it, and you just let it be. So this is how you catch those sweet long swings. By the way, guys, like the video and subscribe the channel if you're new. Give me 1 minute. I'm doing something. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me up. Join the Telegram group and Discord group. It's absolutely free to join. It's a community. Join the Wolf Pack. So since we are doing intraday trading, this is Tokyo low. Tokyo low is 2657. If it breaks Tokyo low, it's headed downward. But if it doesn't, then we're gonna take our profit and then we're gonna wait. Again, I'm saying we are looking at intraday. This is Tokyo low is what do you say? 2657. Tokyo high is 2673. Silver on 4 hourly is bearish, is dropping down. Even gold is dropping down. So if you see those huge moves, huge drops, don't be surprised. I just need you guys to focus on the catching that nice trade. Again, I'm saying it's a marathon. It's not a 100-meter race. It's a marathon. Right now, after this yesterday, it's the China stimulus safe haven buy what do you say, gold buyback rally. Because after, it's like everything is in today's world, whatever that's happening only have effect for 24 hours. Yesterday, stimulus equals to safe haven equals to buyback frenzy equals to day end over. New day, Tuesday, data, no data USD, no data coming from China. We only have interest rate of Austria, or do you say Bank of Austria, and OPEC meeting all day. That's it. And tomorrow is CPI. And I said yesterday on the live stream in London session that the last time the CPI, before the CPI got released, we saw gold dropping, and even after the data got released, we saw that gold was dropped more furthermore. And yesterday it went up because of stimulus. So we are in a more nice area to sell this thing. All you have to do is think logical, don't be emotional, put your stop loss, and considering the things that are happening. The market is not under our control. What is manageable is news, ongoing geopolitical news that's coming, whatsoever that's happening, you know decode it, gather it, analyze it, and then decide. And I'm still saying I'm 50% bullish, 50% bearish on gold. As long as the current administration is in Biden, I'm bullish. But as far as Trump is concerned, I'm bearish on gold. But I'm not gonna long gold until it breaks above 2700. That's my thing. As long as gold is under 2700, I will not long it, because I see it as a, what do you say, trap, bull trap. Again, why? Because November, what do you say, monthly candle is bearish, and this is the low. So anything above it, it's a bear trap, buy trap. Sorry. Like the video, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me up. Today we will stream 2 hours London, 2 hours New York session. Four-hour silver is dropping, 4-hour gold is dropping. And if you guys look at 4-hourly, let's look at the 4-hourly candle. Give me 1 minute. I'm eating something. In the meanwhile, if you guys have any question, you can ask me up. Somebody is messaging me, what's the best area to enter gold right now? It was 2669. Right now, we are in the golden zone, and I say it's the middle of the trend and the middle of the intraday. Intraday high is 2670 if I'm correct, and intraday low is 2657. So you are in the middle of it. Wait for the gold to break London low. If it breaks London low, on the retest, you can enter short. All right. I hope this clears it. Again, I'm saying this stream is going to be educational as much as possible. And yeah, there's going to be some promotional, premium VIP signal stuff and badge stuff. So it's not necessary to join. It's just, if you want to put some, what do you call it? Add some, nice experience and, education and knowledge alongside your trading experience. All right. So the dollar index, DXY, is at 106. Last week I said it's gonna, go above. It was around 105.490. And how I said that a dollar index, you need to have, keep an eye on dollar index. We shorted Euro USD. Forex is really slow. for a guy like for guys like us who trade commodities and metals, Forex is too slow for us. But yeah, it's rewarding. I mean, it pays nice money if you are able to, add on to some short or long positions on the downway or the upward trend. I'm looking forward to adding, lots of short positions on Euro USD this year and next year in the first quarter. And I will carry them for 7-8 months. And I'll do this live stream, inshallah, if you guys stay with me. I'll keep you update on the Euro USD positions. Okay, gold we caught the we already call a short position, nice short position. We took partial profits. So I you can say that I'm a little bit relaxed. But even then, you have to stay one game ahead. Today you want to scalp, but the market is gonna say no. I'm giving you swing. Why you wanna scalp? So even yesterday, this move over here, this whole move. I hope yesterday you guys got that lesson of a tight stop loss, normal stop loss, and a large stop loss. Yesterday, I shifted from normal stop loss to large stop loss. And yeah, it got hit. But then we got in on a sell at 2676. And yeah, sorry for the disruption in New York stream. We have some power failures over here in this city. And the backup generator just gave up. So sorry about that. I'm working on that. It's just when the momentum gets break, it's irritating. Anyways, we are having a short-term scalp movement on Bitcoin right now. This was the move that we bought. When it dropped down and it was pulling back up, we bought like a degenerate Wall Street. What do you call crypto boys? Yeah, we were pushing it up along with everybody else. And we, covered our losses. The losses on gold were covered over here, plus we made nice profits. So, you need to keep an eye. At least if you are somebody who's just trading one commodity, one equity, one energy, anything, you need to tag along to something else. For example, I trade everything, managing everything, right? So if something goes wrong or something is not pushing up or dropping down or is in a sideways range, I can go and concentrate on other thing. Don't sit. I don't need to sit and get frustrated over why it's not moving. I need to channelize the energy somewhere else. The matrix gonna show you the path. Anyways, so as you can see, Bitcoin is just low momentum. Let's go on 5 minutes over here to nothing. This 5 minute, 4 hourly. Where is 4 hourly? This is 1 hourly. Yeah, this is 1 hourly. Let me turn off the market sessions. Let's put this to all-time high. Okay, and Fibonacci. If you guys want a complete video of how to apply Fibonacci, I need likes. I need you guys. Nice, what do you say? Messaging me. Okay, so this is 1 hourly Bitcoin. Okay, this is Maxi. Those of you who are wondering, yes, this is a broker. If you are living in UK, You can download this app and trade futures, cryptos. It even has crude oil, gold, silver, everything. Everything. They have two different kinds of, what do you say, leverage system. You can check it out. If you are looking for referral codes and what do you say, links, you can message me. I'll send it. I have it. I haven't added it in the description, but I'll add it soon. So this is 1 hourly, all right. Switching from 1 hourly to 4 hourly. This is 4 hourly. 4 hourly. After this drop and a pullback this morning, all I see is gold. Sorry, Bitcoin retesting all-time high. So you guys can get on a buy over here. Even if you are somebody who's trading some altcoins, meme coins, if Bitcoin pumps, everything else pumps too. So look for a buy position above around 9700 zone. And your stop loss should be around 96. Yeah, we got hit yesterday. Our stop loss was 9600 on the premium group, but we were sitting and we covered our, what do you say, losses when it was pulling up. And yeah, if you are wondering, yes, we sit in the live trading floor voice channel on Discord and trade. So if you want to be a part of it, join the premium group 3. Group 3 registration is open till the end of this month. Then it will be closed and there will be no group 4 for at least a month, because we are getting really busy next year. So I need to plan the entire year. I have lots of work. So this is why I'm delaying group 4. Maybe it will take 2 months too. So you can apply on the white list. And maybe, yeah, even the batch fifth is after the fifth batch, I'm gonna take at least a month or two, because I almost finished like 3 batches. The fourth one is currently 40% completed. So I'm working round the clock. Even live streaming for you guys. So this is why I say whenever come live, be present over here, because I come over here for you guys. And yeah, oh, he had a loss yesterday on live stream. He sucks. No, come on, man. Everybody, you know, have a bad day and a good day. There's the difference. You have to stay positive. If you're not ready to lose money, you're not ready to make money. And it's all right if we say stop loss. I say all the time, we'll make profits. But yeah, even then, a lot of people had concerns. Oh, what if gold, pumps up? What if this happens? What if that? So that what if is always there. That what if is always there. You have to remind your mind to depend on analysis. And it can be anything. It can be elite wave. It can be COT. It can be CPI. It can be PPI, unemployment. It can be monthly candle, weekly candle, intraday candle. Everything, if you put it, sequence wise, and then you say to yourself, okay, I am confidence in my buy. I am confidence on my sell. I mean, if I follow my plan with a stop loss and I reach my target, which are potential TP levels, I'm following. As long as I'm following my plan, I'm doing it right. Even if it hits stop loss, don't feel bad, because you followed your plan. So applaud yourself and be proud of yourself that you followed your plan. Yesterday we followed our plan. Okay, a lot of people were message me, oh, why you were selling when it was going up? Because I know this move was not necessary, but yes, the market returned all the money back to us. But yeah, those of you who took the trade on live stream must have suffered, obviously. But you guys know that there's always a new day. And today And tomorrow, gold is just gonna keep on dropping. If you don't trust me, go watch any other streamer. By the way, everybody is saying buy, buy, buy. You see me saying no because I know the reality. Again, I'm saying 50% bullish, 50% bearish. Let's go do a complete analysis. Elite wave, we are over here. I still think we're gonna revisit 2600 zone. I am worried. Let me be genuine. I'm worried. You know what I'm worried about? I think that we are still in the ABC correction. I don't know why I feel like it. That because in elite wave, everything can go wrong, but elite wave can never go wrong. I mean, I've been plotting this up since 5 4 5 years, and this thing has always showed the direction. You need to find the direction, right? It's like you are in the ocean, right? Everywhere is water. You depend on the stars, and imagine you are in the 14th century. You depend on the stars, right? So there's always a navigator. If you don't know how to read stars, you'll get lost in the sea, right? You'll die over there. So elite wave is the stars. We are star readers, yeah. No, it's not forecasting. There's a difference. Stars, they are on the true path, right? They show the true direction of north, south, and even the compass. So this is like our compass. It will always point us to the true north. Yeah, you heard me right. So I don't know why I think that we are still in the ABC correction, because over here I said that there are two outcomes. This is the continuation of this trend or the ABC correction, but right now on the stream, I'm saying I have doubt. Uh-huh. What do you say? Not doubt. You can say I'm pretty much sure we are still in the ABC correction. Okay, if you don't follow Elite Wave, it's alright. Just watch it for the educational. Why? Because there are several reasons. We haven't seen break past above this zone 2687. Now I'm wondering, yeah, because I have seen the impulse wave, this, fifth impulse wave, and this doesn't look like an impulse wave. It doesn't act like an impulse wave. Okay, so how can I depend upon something which is not even behaving like it? It's like a different animal, right? But this surely looks like the ABC correction. If I look at this, I can say this is the extension of the B level, B2C, right? If I plot it up right over here, I think that we are still. And if this breaks down, drops down to 26, 20, 25, 40, 25, 30, this was the low. Let's go back. Yeah, holy shit, what is this chart? This guy is a Boy Scout. No, man, come on. I do this for a living. And I said that we have a $250 range that we will be swing trading and scalping, right? By the way, guys, while I am doing analysis, Bitcoin is pumping up. So you guys can buy Bitcoin. It's a nice buy trade. I let me add some buy positions too. Give me 1 minute. I'm adding some buy positions on Bitcoin. Gold is dropping. Look at 1 hour, gold is dropping. By the way, guys, the scalp right now because crazy shit on in Bitcoins happens in the early in the morning around Tokyo session. So all day scalps, wait for the Tokyo session. Anyways, okay, I opened some scalp buys on Bitcoin. Coming back to where I was talking about. So as as seen over here, we have a $250. By the way, if you're wondering, if you want this, you can go on ideas over here in the profile. Open it up. I think I have it open. Yes. No, this is my dear friend Rob Paul's natural gas analysis. If you are somebody who trade natural gas, go check him out. He's a nice guy. Subscribe to his what do you call, and he gives some really nice information on natural gas. So do check him out. Okay, go follow him. He gives some really nice details. He's probably look at his minds, some nice details he posts around the time. So yeah, let's go back. Ah, not this fuck. Okay, there is it. Yeah. So this is the. I still think that this is the ABC correction, and since CPI is coming, CPI CPI is due tomorrow. Okay, and unemployment rate is higher. More, the it went up from 4.2 to 4.3. I think. Yeah, it's increasing. So inflation is increasing. So you have lots of concerns. So when everything is going up, how can Fed, cut interest rate? People are still saying Fed is gonna cut interest rate. You need to understand how will Fed cut interest rate. They can, right? Economy is accelerating. Even yesterday's China stimulus package announced. Just saw. Let me open dollar index. Remember the last time I showed you guys, those who watch my stream regularly, and people are saying, "Oh, dollar index gonna drop." I said, "This thing not gonna drop." It dropped over here. See this? I plotted this up. This was in the mid of November, and right now we can see it's holding off to this wave. It's just waiting for the Donald Trump to come back, and as soon as Donald Trump's come back, this is all like 2022 all over again. Then we're gonna be trading this area, this entire zone is gonna be, dollar index is gonna be in this zone from mark somewhere 104 to 114. 4 to 14, this will be your playground. You will be buying and selling Euro USD around this zone. And if you are somebody who's trading major currency USD pairs, you definitely need to keep an eye on dollar index. I'm just waiting for it to break past this zone. Right now, we can say as long as it's below this area, below this resistance zone, this really tight zone. We were over here for the since 2022, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. For 3 years, we are under this, 107. So I know a lot of people who trade Forex. Forex was our bread and butter back in the Trump era. We traded Euro USD more than gold because Euro USD was more volatile, moved more than gold. And we used to swing trade it, scalp it, hold longs, do everything over there. By the way, guys, like the video. Why you guys are not liking the video? 6 people are watching. Come on, man. So as soon as it is breaks above the, you are in a discount. In short, you are in a discount. As soon as it breaks this above this zone, it's just gonna be a rally, Euro USD rally, sell rally. And this is the perfect area to add shorts on Euro USD. I'm adding shorts. I added shorts when it went up. I was scalping. My scalp got, stopped out, but at the top, I just opened some swings. And yeah, this stuff is just for the premium. I cannot share everything, unfortunately, because a lot of people, they watch my stream. They say, "Oh, already giving a lot out for free. It's just that some stuff has certain risk appetite that I I'm used to taking it, but I don't want you guys following it. You guys just should probably stay scalp, mostly 90% is scalp, okay? And grow your accounts to a point where you're comfortable enough to walk away. It's about surviving. Just like you have to survive the entire winter, right? You prepare for it the entire year to survive 3 4 harsh winter, what do you say, months. So just like that, we have to survive the winter, but you can make nice profits on Bitcoin. Crypto will keep you motivated. Anyways, so this is the complete breakout of dollar index. Coming back, switching to gold, continuing from where I left. One more thing, I'm uploading the weekly analysis of gold today, but on my live stream, I'm gonna be doing, breaking it out. You guys already know who's the Treasury Secretary is. He's Scott Benzit. And we also saw that gold was in a buying frenzy. And as soon as we got the first rate cut, gold just stopped going up. It's clearly visible over here that after the October rate cut, gold just dropped down. It's just like, hold on a second. Okay, guys, I was just replying to a text in the middle of the stream. I'm extremely sorry, but I'm not so sorry. Man, I'm just joking. You're in profits. Come on, man. I know. My views will drop down, but it's okay. So, what I was talking about, just like previously, as I described that the last time we saw rate hike before the hike actually happened, we saw it from March, what do you say, April, May, June, July, August, September. Everybody was selling gold, selling gold, selling gold, selling gold. As soon as the rate hike happened, the 75% rate hike, it just started pumping up. And at that time, I was working. I said to my colleagues that, and even we agreed that whenever a rate hike happen, expect a rate cut. And then we saw a buying frenzy, and as soon as it break past to 2000 level after the 7th October attack and the ongoing geopolitical, and and as soon as they announced that rate cut is gonna happen, that rate cut started pushing it up, and they push gold all the way up. And as soon as, remember this, I don't care what what the people are saying, what the COT report is saying. You have to understand that COT report are a group of individual people who buy and depend who buy gold or sell gold depending upon this you see in front of you. It's like you see it's like you're flying a plane and you see the weather, right? If the weather is clear, you take off. If it's not, you don't take it off. So just like that, if the weather is clear, they buy gold after the hike. And if the weather is clear, and this is what happens. As soon as we had 3 rate cuts, right? It's either gonna happen or it's not gonna happen. But as I said, that we got push after the hike was done. So as soon as if they actually cut rate for like they planned, like they are saying they're gonna do, then it's gonna be just like this. So don't be surprised. I said I've been trading for 7 years long. There are people who are trading for 20 years, two decades. Okay, they have seen this. It's like in their muscle memory. It's like you go to the gym and pick something up, any weight, and you know how to do it. It's like driving a car. They don't think, they just do it. They don't even need to open an indicator, this and that. And I'm saying this from my experience. As soon as they will, okay, it's the rate cut is done, is going to push up 28, 29, and then they will wait, and then you will see a selling frenzy, and boom, they'll sell. But I think that they won't wait. They probably have shorted around 20. If I am correct, all the OG traders have already shorted, and all the people in this industry, the hedge fund institution, they're already on the short. And you need to understand the COT report it depends upon this rate cut and rate hike. I don't know if you understood all this or not. Nobody is even replying on. Nobody shares this kind of information on live stream. And I'm telling you guys, look how many viewers I have. 4 people watching. And then you say, oh, he's a scammer. He charges money, this and that. I'm giving first-hand experience of stuff nobody even shares. And this is kind of, this is the harsh reality. If something is free, it's not worth it, right? You guys made that up. So when I'm giving quality, nobody's even here. This is why I say you need to know your value, and I know my value, but I'm giving this out for only the people who are watching this. And I know as soon as this stream is done, nobody even know what I said. Nobody even go, watch my stream again. And then my words will become a part of the history. Anyways, so as soon as the rate cut is done, it's gonna start dropping down. You won't have time to think. And I say all the traders, they already know what to do. They already, it's not like they will think what to do. They already have decided and made up a plan. And the plan is, as soon as the rate cut is done, they're gonna say, even, there's more 78, 75% chance, I think, I know, 75% chance there's gonna be a rate cut pause. And it's gonna be dovish, and gold is gonna start melting. Yeah, I know China stimulus package and stuff, but the greed in Wall Street, just like I say, is you will never see this kind of greed anywhere. And I clearly mention it. Greed in Wall Street is out of the box, man. I light this up. You need to, you need to put this kind of data, archive it. You need to know what you're doing. You need to log your trades. You need to log everything. Make a record of it. If you're not doing this, then you should ask yourself, if I don't know this, how can I be profitable? You'll never be profitable if you're not a Boy Scout. Trading is not about buying and selling, it's about knowing what's happening behind the scene. If somebody is in the market trading every single day for the past 6 7 years, not even fucking going on any vacation, or taking some time off, I mean a month or two vacation, you need to respect him, because he has survived. It's like surviving World War I, World War II, Cold War, all those fucking Vietnam, coming out alive. And now I am in this short, and tomorrow is CPI, and I think what according to my observation is, this thing is just gonna keep on dropping, and as soon as the CPI is gonna come out somewhere around here, it's gonna drop further down more. And I say that you need to look at past historical data. History repeats itself. Again, I am saying, go read Elliott wave theory. History repeats itself. History repeats itself again and again, again and again, again and again. You just need to find clues. Understand? It's just clues. Buying and selling is nothing but human emotions, and those human emotions depend upon the ongoing geopolitical, sentimental. Technical is just like, if I'm angry, you can see it on my face that I'm angry, right? That's what that's what fundamental is. Technical are the emotions, and the things that are causing those emotions, the thing that's causing me to become happy or angry, are sentiments, are rate cuts, are rate hikes. This is the easiest way I can explain it to you guys, the most easiest language out there, otherwise it's so complicated. You see those guys saying quantitative tightening, quantitative easiness, you guys won't even understand this. This is the easiest way I can explain it to you guys. Also, I need to look on one more thing. I forgot. I need to check MicroStrategy. This morning the dumped and pumped happened, and this is why what I was calling about this bull trap. Those of you guys who watch my stream know this, that this sell-off also was the reason due to the fact that MicroStrategy is dropping. If you see this drop, you should run for it. It's been an hour of live streaming. It's a pleasure to have you guys over here, those who are watching. This is an educational stream. This is why you'll find it so less views. I'll keep it that way. Coming back, so MicroStrategy, let me see, has added. Let me see. I heard they added more bitcoins. Yeah, here it is. 2.1 billion into more bitcoins. MicroStrategy buys more bitcoin, sits on a huge pile of it. But even then, the share dropped. MicroStrategy. Yeah, it doesn't matter. They're just buying it off, and the market would still dump. Sorry, still pump. Sorry, still dump. Their share value still dropped because I'm saying again, the greed on Wall Street is unmatchable. If the short sellers come in, they will rip off the market. It's just like a bear, you know. When it attacks, it just rips off everything. Oh yeah, Tokyo just closed right now, and you can see gold, retesting the Fibonacci zone 0.618. So this is a nice area to enter a short, a sell re-entry, nice area. And then it will continue its, downward momentum. All this area is a, let me remove this so it's more visible. This is a sell entry area. Oh, I'm getting so tired. BlackRock and Fidelity are also Bitcoin holder. Why mainly focus on MicroStrategy? Because you need to know what's moving the market. The market is being moved by MicroStrategy. BlackRock and Fidelity are holding Bitcoin for a really long time, but everybody knows that they will never come out and say something nice about Bitcoin. They just are holding it off because they're adding it into their portfolio because they don't want to miss out. If Bitcoin breaks out above 1 million in the next 10 years, they probably want this asset on their digital asset in their portfolio. That's why they're holding it off. And they also is holding it off because they don't want China and Russia to have major equity stake in this digital asset. They would see it as a weaponization tool against the dollar. So America comes first. So they are buying it, but they're never coming out saying anything positive. In fact, those are the people who used to talk shit about Bitcoin, calling it worthless. But the guy behind MicroStrategy. He pushed the prices above. He pushed the cryptomania. He pumped it. So this is why I'm mainly focusing on it. Look, I I have a chart in front of my wall. Let me read it for you. If you guys can hear my voice. BlackRock 20 billion ETF is now the world's largest Bitcoin fund, and this was about a year ago. If you guys can hear my voice, I'm speaking from far away. They bought $20 billion worth of ETF a year ago. This is something that needs to be taken seriously. Okay, so this was a buyback area, sell area. Bitcoin is going up. The price of Bitcoin is going up. You can buy over here and wait for the breakout. Take profit over here. The stop loss around this area. This is for scalpers. Okay, guys in the who are in the premium group. If you are watching the stream, this is on you. This trade is on you. If you wanna take it or not. I am not because sometimes I'm helping out, people, so I don't have time to post. But I'm gonna make something up. Let me post it actually. Let's do this. Give me 1 minute. You know what? Wait. Gold trade is enough. Gonna wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, then enter. If you enter, it's all right. But enter on a pullback too. I want to focus on gold because gold is something that's gonna make big profits today. It's dropping down. It needs to break this zone. What zone? This zone. This red line over here. This red line is Tokyo low. This is Tokyo low. This red line is the Tokyo low. If it breaks Tokyo low, it's going down, it's dropping down. So this is why we are in a sell. By the way, guys, give me 5 minutes. I need to go pray my namaz. I'll be right back. In the meantime, you guys, keep an eye on gold. I'll be right back. I need to pray. Spiritual analysis is also necessary, brothers. Guys, I'm back. Sorry about that, but not so sorry. I was praying. So let's move on. Uh, we still have 30 minutes for the stream, and gold is currently dropping. So that's a good thing. That's a nice thing, actually. Really nice. Sticking to our plan, we are shorting gold, silver, all metals, and we are on a buy on cryptocurrency. Today is no major news. S&P 500 is dropping for some strange reasons. Follow our plan. Our intraday plan is we have shorted gold. Okay, we are on short on gold, and sorry, we are shorted crypto, not long. I accidentally said we are on short term scalp. Yes, we are on a short on live stream. I took this. I was praying. I told my colleague to open a cell. Anyways, so this is a nice scalp cell. You can get on even right now. You can enter over here. Guys in the premium group who are watching, I need you guys to open a short on BTC. Yes, I'm saying it to open a short on Bitcoin. Scalp it. You guys obviously same old, same old. The stop loss is $1,000 away on the opposite side of this cell. This is a short term scalp, so we're gonna keep it short, okay? Anyways, gold is dropping. If you guys have any questions, I give you 15 minutes. Anybody who's watching the stream, if you have any questions, because I already answered the question in the group one, let me ask in group two. Group two, if you are listening to me right now, or you can message me on Telegram group or come in the live trading floor on your private VC in Discord. I'm heading over there. Guys watching on the YouTube video, if you have any questions, you can ask me up over here. Okay, guys, I'm ending the stream since nobody is active on YouTube chat. Thank you for tuning in. I'll come back again in New York session. See you guys again then. I'm gonna go head off work now. It was a nice live streaming. I see you guys again in New York session. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you for the heart, sweetheart.